Hello children, do you remember the short division method we learned yesterday? Today we will learn about long division, and in long division, division of 3-digit number by a single digit number. Yes children, you already learned the division of 2-digit number in your 3rd class. So now let us learn how to divide a 3-digit number by a single digit number. And in that, first let us do a division where the remainder is 0. Now consider 648 divided by 4. Now this is a 3-digit number, right? 648 divided by 4, which is a single digit number. Now what will be our first step? Yes, in addition and subtraction and even in multiplication, we start doing the addition, subtraction or multiplication from right to left. But in division, we go from left to right. Yes children. So here the first step would be to divide the highest place value, that is hundreds. We need to divide the first digit from the left, that is 6. Now 6 divided by what? The divisor 4. Yes, 6 is the divisor. 648 is what? Is our dividend. You remember this children? The terms of division, terms used in division. Now 6 divided by 4. If you look at 4th table, we have 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. There is no factor for 6 in 4th table. So we'll go with what? We'll go with the lesser number, that is 4. We do not have 6 in the 4th table. So we are going for the lesser number 4. How many times does 4 come? 4 ones are 4. So 1 becomes our quotient. 1 is written in the quotient's place and the 4 is written here. 4 ones are 4 is written directly below 6. 4 is written directly below 6. And when we subtract 6 minus 4, we get 2. It gives 1 as quotient, leaving 2 as remainder. Yes. Again, in quotient also should be written directly above 6, and the number, that is 4 ones are 4, should also be written below 6, and then the remainder should be written below that. Okay children, remember to follow the line here. Write 1 in the hundreds place, write 4 under the hundreds place of dividend and subtract, that is 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Yes, clear till now the first step, dividing the 100. Now moving to the next step, what should we do? We should bring down the next digit. Bring down 4 from the tens place of the dividend. From the tens place of the dividend, 4 is brought down. Now first we had 2 here. Now we have placed 4 as well. So what do we have now? 24. Yes, now we should divide this 24 by 4. Now we should divide this 24 by 4. In 4 table, we know that 4 6 are 24. Yes or no? So here 6 becomes our quotient. So 6 is written above the tens place. That is 4. 6 is written above 4. And 24 is written below the 24. When we subtract, 0 will be our remainder. Clear children? 4 6 are 24. When we subtract, 0 will be our remainder. Now next what should we do? Bring down the step 3. Bring down 8 from the ones place of the dividend. Divide 8 by 4. We get 2 as the quotient with remainder 0. Yes, we are done with ones and tens. Now what should we do? Next we have we are done with tens and hundreds. Now we have 8 which is in the ones place. So bringing 8 down. Bringing 8 down. If you remember 4th table, we have 4 twos are 8. Again, why are we taking only 4th table? Because 4 is the divisor here. So we should check for each number in the 4th table only. 4 twos are 8. So 2 will be written in the quotient, and then I am writing this 8 here again. Yes. So from this we will subtract 8. 4 twos are 8. Now when we subtract, 8 minus 8 gives us 0. Now after this, do we have any digits in the dividend to bring down? No. We are left with 0 only. Now 0 becomes our remainder. It is the remaining number. 0 is remaining. So 0 becomes our remainder. Now what is our quotient? 162. Clear, children? Multiplication of a division of a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Here the divisor is 4, dividend is 648, quotient is 162 and remainder is 0. Okay? If you remember the division rule, divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Yes, divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. If we if we substitute the values, divisor is 4 into the quotient is